If you want to install Gboard on a Samsung Galaxy S26, you need to open the Play Store. Over here at the bottom, we're gonna use the search button, and then at the top, we're gonna use the search field, and we can type Gboard. There we go. You should be able to easily find the Google keyboard in here. So of course, we're gonna use the install button. And once it is installed, we will have to set it up, which is also pretty straightforward. So open the app. Tap on Enable in Settings in here, and you should be able to find the Gboard in this place, so tap on the switcher to turn it on, and then confirm by pressing OK. Now go back to the app, and we need to tap on Select Input Method. We need to switch from Samsung Keyboard to Gboard, and then we are all done. You can also find some settings that you can go through, of course, if you want to, but that is not really necessary. You can immediately open the Gboard in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.